Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth reviews. Today, we're featuring what we believe is the best couple matching his and her watches you can find online, the OLEVS matching his and her wristwatch set. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for your partner, a stylish accessory for both of you, or the perfect token for weddings and anniversaries, this one's worth watching. Right out of the box, the OLEVS couple watch set comes exquisitely packaged in a premium gift box. It instantly feels like something special, refined, romantic, and ready to impress. The men's watch sports a 42mm diameter case with a thickness of 11.5mm, paired with a 22mm wide band. Meanwhile, the women's version comes in slightly smaller and more delicate, with a 33mm case and 11mm thickness, plus a 16mm band width. These proportions make them perfectly balanced for their respective wrists, without sacrificing style or functionality. Both watches are designed with stainless steel straps that have been hand-polished to a smooth, shiny finish. The metallic texture gives off a sleek, modern vibe while maintaining durability for everyday use. Plus, each one features a double-press folding safety buckle, a small detail, but it adds so much to the comfort and security while wearing. Functionality-wise, OLEVS didn't hold back. These watches are more than just elegant, they're practical too. They include a timer and stopwatch, making them versatile enough to keep up with busy schedules or workouts. And with an analog display under a Hardlix dial window, you get both visibility and scratch resistance rolled into one. The black dial and black band version we're reviewing today is truly a classic. It's minimalist yet expressive. Whether you're heading to a formal dinner, a college event, or just a casual date night, these watches adapt effortlessly to your outfit and occasion. This set shines the brightest as a gift. Weddings, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, birthdays, you name it. It's made for meaningful moments. It's a gift that says, "We're in this together," with matching elegance on each wrist. Whether it's for young couples, newlyweds, or even friends who appreciate matching styles, this is a timeless option. And if you're wondering about peace of mind, OLEVS offers a 30-day no-reason return policy and a 12-month warranty. That's pretty solid assurance that the brand stands behind their product. And most importantly, it's a symbol of togetherness, all in one beautiful package. If you're interested in grabbing this set, the link is in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss our next critique. This has been Product Critique, where we give you the good, the great, and everything in between. Thanks for watching.